Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll in AutoPay on Medi-Share. If you don't have a Medi-Share account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, open the website Medi-Share.com. Then click on Sign In. Under Already a Member, you will see a button for Login. Click on Login. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the page. Click on the option that says Payment. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Enroll in AutoPay. Click on Enroll in AutoPay. To start, select first a payment method. You could use either a checking or savings account. Then enter the account information on the fields provided. Next, select the programs you wish to enroll with AutoPay. Click on the tick boxes. Then set the payment date. Also, if you wish to add an extra blessing, click on the tick box beside Extra Blessing. Then enter the amount in dollars. Then click on Next. Now, read the terms and conditions. After reading, click on the tick box beside I have read and accept the AutoPay terms and conditions. Then on the field provided, enter your signature, or just type your name. Lastly, click on Submit. That's how you enroll in AutoPay on Medi-Share. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.